Hi, I'm John Licata, Chief Commodity Strategist of Blue Phoenix and editor of the Commodity Chronicles. Thanks for clicking onto this site. Today we're actually going to be talking about uranium. Uranium is a very intriguing metal and mineral found in the earth, and we are in the bullish camp, thinking that the downside pressure that we've seen over the last few years is definitely come to a halt. With that being said, it's our view that the bottom has been put in. The move from 40 to 46, 40 represented with the Feb lows, and 46 where we're trading right now, is a compelling opportunity considering we were nearly at $150 per pound in 2007. What brought the price of uranium down to levels we've seen over the past 2 years, these depressed prices, was first and foremost an agreement by the United States and Russia, whereas Russia would be a supplier of enriched uranium to the States, and that perception of flooding the market definitely weighed on the price of uranium. But now maybe times have changed. Maybe there's actually an opportunity for Russia to find a more economical benefit to perhaps look at China and India, which has seen exponential growth in uranium. It's our view that perhaps the recent activity in Russia, namely the drought, it's caused some political tensions, not because of the actual rain, but the ramifications that Russia might actually have been forced to move forward with plans to help Iran at a time where it was more of from a monetary perspective than one that was welcomed politically from the United States and other countries around the world. So again, it's our view that the price of uranium could go higher, increased demand out of China, higher demand out of India, and perhaps Russia exporting more towards those nations as opposed to the United States makes us very comfortable that uranium could be a very interesting place to allocate capital. We'd be remiss to say that in 2011, the carbon tax legislation, the cap and trade, is something that could be again on the table. And I'm sure many of you out there are thinking that the bill is dead. But I think because of the BP oil spill, that you might see some Republicans be a little more receptive to cap and trade in some form. If there is the cap and trade announcement in 2011 after this November congressional election is over, it's our belief that utility companies would find it more advantageous to use uranium. With that said, we just really think uranium is by far and large a metal and mineral. It's interchangeable in that regard. Uranium is an amazing opportunity for investors to take a look at. I'm John Licata. I'm Chief Commodity Strategist of Blue Phoenix, the editor of the Commodity Chronicles, which you can find on www.bluephoenixinc.com. Also, you can follow us on Twitter at Blue Phoenix Inc. We look forward to speaking to you soon and hope every investor is doing well out there. And our motto of Blue Phoenix is always rise above. Speak with you soon.